channel. Today we are doing a new challenge, which is a quiz. We have between me and Abigail, we have a quiz, and we have quiz competition. So our mom will tell us a few questions, so we have to tell the answers. So let's begin with the first question.
Okay, the first question is, which is the highest mountain peak in the world?
K2.
I will repeat.
Yeah.
Which is the highest mountain peak in the world?
K2 minus K2.
Yours?
I don't
You don't know the answer?
know. No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
The answer is, you don't know the highest mountain peak in the world?
K2.
No, that
K2?
is not a K2. That is, you both are not going with the correct answers.
So what's the correct answer?
The correct answer is Mount Everest. So
Oh.
the first question is both of y'all is wrong. So yes, we will go with the second one. The second one is, which is the longest river in the world?
Nine.
Yes. You're correct, Abigail. The river is Nile.
Nile.
Okay. The third question we will go with, which is the largest country in the world by area?
Russia.
Sorry?
Russia.
You both are going with the same question?
Yeah. Answer.
Sorry, answer?
Maybe.
Not maybe, not maybe. You have to tell the answer.
Russia.
It's Russia?
Yeah.
Okay, your answer is right.
Oh yes.
Okay, now the third question we will go with is, which is the largest ocean in the world?
Pacific.
Shania, your answer?
Pacific.
You go with the same answer?
Yeah.
Yes, the answer is right. Which is the largest ocean in the world? That is Pacific Ocean. Your answers are right. Okay, now we will go to the next question. Which is the largest continent by area?
China. Russia. Europe.
No, I will repeat the question. Which is the largest continent by area?
China. Russia.
No, your time is going to up now. You don't have to give so much of the.
Okay, then it's China first.
Yours?
Africa.
No, you both are wrong. The largest continent by area is Asia.
Oh, shit.
I think you all are not doing study well. So that is why this is so answers you all should know. Okay, we will go with the next question. That is, wait, I'm going to tell you the question. Okay, which country has the largest population in the world?
China.
Burj Khalifa, that is not the country.
It's China.
It's the largest building.
Everything is made in China.
Which country, I will repeat my question again. Which country has the highest population?
China.
Yes.
China.
You listen to Abigail and you are answering the same one. But the correct answer will go with Abigail. You are right.
In everything, everything is in every type of thing is written made in China, made in China.
Yes, you are right. Your answer is right, Abigail. The largest higher population country in the world is China. Okay, now we will go with the next question. So the next question is, of course you all should know because this is a so nice answer. Which is the tallest building in the world? I knew it. You're both going to go with
Every Friday night we go to Burj Khalifa.
Okay, your answer is right. Of course, the tallest building in the world is Burj Khalifa. Okay, now again we will go with the next question. The next question is, wait, let me do it.
Okay.
No, that you don't know. Wait. Which of these games is not played in Olympic? Olympic. Which of these games is not played? Okay, is played in Olympic. Football, hockey, cricket, or volleyball. Which of this game is not Sorry?
Cricket.
Yes, you're right.
Yes.
Cricket is the right answer. That which is not played in Olympic, it's cricket. Okay, yes, Shania, you are going very nice. Okay, now next question is, which of these countries does not lie in Asia? New York, Philippines, Singapore, or Maldives?
Philippines. Maldives.
No. Which? See, listen to the question very carefully, because when you will listen to your questions, you will come to know the answer as well. Which of these countries does not lie in Asia? In Asia, okay? I'm talking about Asia, not the world. New New Zealand, Philippines, Singapore, and Maldives. Which
Singapore.
of these countries does not lie in? No, you're
Singapore.
no. You
What
don't
was the
give the tukkas. Okay, please give the correct
What was
answer
the
at
first
one
one?
time only.
What was the first
I'm talking about, the question is, which of these countries does not lie in Asia? The clues are New Zealand.
New Zealand.
Yes, of course, you're right. Yes, first, who said this?
Me.
Okay,
No, me.
Shania said the right
I
answer.
asked what
So
was-
yes, here I will tell you the questions which is corrected by Abigail was 4, and Shania give 3 correct answers. Though, so this clue competition challenge will go with Abigail, and of course she is the winner for this quiz competition challenge game. So yes, congratulations, Abigail. You done the great job, and you have to study the books as well as you can,
I done.
because
I also
because as much you read this is all knowledge, and you should know the knowledge. Okay, so please do comments, please do comments if you like this game and like this quiz competition. Please do comment and let me know. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.